Hello friends. Hi, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn how to make a symbol. Okay? Go icon menu, go breaker and disconnector. You can see here single pole, two pole, three pole. Here no available a four pole. Today we will learn how to make four pole symbol. Okay? Four pole breaker symbol, isolator symbol and ELCB symbol. Just go here. Okay, you can see here no available. Back, back, click here, go back, just go there. Two pole symbol is available. Okay, just click. No, symbol is big. Go again, and you can change the scale. One. Okay, then you can go breaker disconnector. Go two pole. Okay, and select the two pole breaker. Okay, just click here. Right. Okay, don't repeat. The distance is more. Oh, wait. We'll go multiple bus bar. Select 5 here. Select 5 here. Okay. That's why they are not showing. Click 2. Multiple. No. Horizontal. We will do vertical. Okay. Just go there. Okay. Create two wire. Multiple wire. Just go again. Icon menu. Click here. Breaker. Breaker. Two pole. Circuit breaker 2 pole. Okay. Click here, go right. Okay. Don't do any, we don't want any number or something. Okay. This is a 2 pole breaker symbol. Now we will make a 4 pole. Go to home page, line, select line, click here to there. You can select this object. You can select this object first. And move. Okay. Breaker is came here. Select line, snap mode and ortho mode. It should be on condition. Okay, always you're making the symbol, that time it should be on condition. Just go there, click line, click line, click line, click. That time we will listen to ortho mode. Okay, just click line here to there, there to there. If this is also not coming, that time you can disconnect the ortho mode. Just select the line. Now you can go there. Okay, all sketch will be ready. We will delete this one. Okay, the same pattern. We ready this one. Okay, and we will draw this one like control space deactivate activate the same thing, and here we don't want. Okay, select and click mouse right click mouse right click and copy selection. Just click, just select center. We're not on. Just go center, center. Okay, so it is enough. Copy, Control C and Control V. See, see here, the same look like. Okay, go there. How much is the distance? You can click, you can draw line here to here. Just select this line, copy selection, select the end mode, go the end to end. Okay, next you can select this fully. Which one? This fully. Okay, fine. Just select this one, control, copy selection. Okay, go there. Exact point we find it. Exact point we find it. Okay, just see here. This is a two pole. We took two pole sketch. We make four pole. Okay, just delete these lines and select hatches. Solid one. We want solid one. Okay, select okay and save. Go. We find all. We make a same line here, here. Okay, click there, copy selection, just select where you will select. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, select here, to here, to here. Okay, exact time length we will find. This is called a four pole breaker. Okay, just save it. We find all our symbol is fully look like ready. Now you will go to add it in IEC symbol. Okay, just go the symbol builder, click here and select the object full, right click and pick the line, select the endpoint. Okay, just go browse all data is came here. Just okay, okay. We don't want anything. Okay, we can delete this all things. Whatever we don't want, we will delete from there. Which one we want, we will take. Select similar. Okay, delete it all. Okay, simple symbol is came here. Okay, whatever we want, we will put it here. You can select the all objects, click here, plus control, plus select all things. Okay, just go drag and drop, put it here. Okay, all selected. Next, you can go to wire connection. Okay, just click here, You can the direction, you can specify direction. Very first we will select the top we'll mentioning the top connections. Click here, inserting wire connection. First terminal top, second, third one, fourth. Okay, connection is completed. Next, we will go to bottom. Same thing you can repeat here. Go the top or non direction of the style. Just go to bottom connection, bottom. Okay, click. When you're going like that, the option will be not came. Then you can go there. Inserting wire connection. Click here. Select the specific endpoint. Okay, 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 and okay. Okay, fine. Then it's completed. You can press the escape button. Whatever the active command is, it will be deactivated. Next, you can go here, pins. Okay, just click this terminal one point, double click here. The full data is came. Okay, whatever you want, you can edit here. Okay, the rotation, we don't want rotation, we will put 0. And we don't want right, we want top center. Click here, top center came, just click OK. Okay, you can do same thing to all connections. You can go second one. Option done. They are showing the inbuilt close block editor, save symbol. Okay, okay, save it. Do you want to symbol closing block editor? Okay, yes. Okay, our symbol is ready now. Our symbol is ready here. Okay, you can give specific names, description. I'll put description 1, 2, 3. Okay, same A, B, C, D, E, G, H. Okay, fine. We will give a look simple. We'll check how it looks like. Click here, see here. whatever we make symbol, it looks like. Okay, it is nice. 4 pole circuit breaker symbol. The symbol is fully satisfied. It is done. Then you can go to icon menu. Icon menu. Click here. Okay. And just go add component. Pick the specific object. Okay. The same symbol is came. We will write 4 pole circuit CB C breaker. And next. We will pick the specific line here, block name inserting. Just go click the symbol. The all data is came here. Then you can put it, then you can save the symbol here. Okay, just you can see here, symbol is came, 4 pole C breaker. Okay, fine. This is a symbol builder section. I will show you next how to make isolator symbol. Okay, next video is game about the isolator symbol. I will show you.